Good morning, everybody. It is the Option Pit AM Vol Report. I am Mark Sebastian the First. So now here is what's going on here. You go to optionpit.com/events, and you can join our free webinar. It's going to be on Thursday the 23rd, and of course, coming up early next month, using options to trade for direction. All right, and it's going to be a dedicated directional trading webinar. Should be a good time. All right, so now let's talk about what's going on in the market. Well, after days and days and days of absolute craziness, we finally have a day where the market doesn't seem to be doing much. VIX official settle is out. And it came in 1592. Who'd have thought on Thursday that the VIX would possibly settle 15.92? Pretty crazy, if you asked me, that it could move that low in that short a period of time. It was just incredible. Now you've got the market basically saying, hey, look, we're recovered. And, you know, if you're looking at a chart, I mean, we've kind of filled ourselves all the way up. We're now threatening the 100-day moving average, which is right around, I'll pull up a chart on 100-day moving average is 1961. All right. 50-day moving average is 1965. So they're on top of each other. That's kind of the next major support people are watching. Maybe 1950 a little bit, but not really. And, you know, out of that, where is their opportunity is your question. Well, you know, Amazon has earnings coming up. We also have Facebook and Facebook coming up, which continues to be just unbelievably moving higher. The way that sucker is unstoppable. The financials. Look at Goldman. Goldman's down. J.P. Morgan's up. Those two continue to be kind of interesting channel trades because they've been bouncing around. And then now it looks like IBM has finally found a floor after a couple of days of really sucking wind. IBM has finally appears to have stopped selling off, which it should allow for some sort of opportunity. We've done a couple of different trades in IBM that we've looked at, and if you look at the volatility, the IV is not especially cheap, and so this is something that can be sold. All right, the IV now is about as high as it got into its last earnings announcement. All right. UVXY really started to decay back down. VXX as well. VXX with a little push in the futures could, you know, we think it's going to get down to near 31 if things stay here. But you know, another couple of days, and that thing could really shake out. Because let's not forget the futures are still, that no future is still elevated. You know, which is now the front month is funny. So for no future, it's 1695. Not cheap. I mean, this is basically as expensive as it has been since kind of back in August. So it is not an inexpensive trade by any means. Although, like I said, we are back in contango. And just barely, but we are. You know, December is trading slightly above. The only thing that's weird is VXST and VIX continue to be pretty much in line. I'm waiting for VXST to kind of take it in the chin before I will call everything officially over. Just that move was the move down followed by the move up was one of the nastier realized volatility moves I've seen in some time. For the day, you know, I thought yesterday we might just kind of meander higher. We blew higher. today is a meandering day. All right, don't expect, if you're looking for a lot more than 10 points up, you're going to be disappointed. I think we're going to run into about 1955, and we will hold there. All right, well, if you've got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me, 888-TRADE-01, and do not forget, optionpit.com/events for our free webinar. Talk to you soon.